Hey everyone, welcome back to Chemitro. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit, well, irresistible. That's right, we're exploring the science of earwax. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into the fascinating world of cerumen. Earwax, or cerumen if you want to sound fancy, is something that most of us don't give much thought to, until it causes a problem. But did you know that this sticky substance is actually a crucial part of our body's defense system? Let's break it down. Earwax is produced by specialized glands in your ear canal. There are two main types, wet and dry. The wet type is most common among people of European and African descent, while the dry type is more common in people of East Asian descent. This variation is actually due to genetic differences. So, what's the purpose of this gooey stuff? Earwax has a few key functions. Protection. It acts as a barrier to protect your ear canal from dust, dirt, and other foreign particles. It also helps prevent bacteria and fungi from growing. Lubrication. It keeps the skin in your ear canal moist and helps prevent itching and dryness. Cleaning. As it moves outward, earwax helps carry away dead skin cells and other debris, naturally cleaning your ear canal. But of course, things can go awry. Sometimes, earwax can build up and cause blockages, which might lead to discomfort, hearing loss, or even infections. It's a delicate balance. Too little wax and your ears might not be protected, too much and you could face problems. So, what should you do if you think you have too much earwax? First off, avoid sticking anything into your ear canal, like cotton swabs. They can push wax further in and make things worse. Instead, consider using ear drops designed to soften the wax, or consult a healthcare professional if you're having persistent issues. And here's a pro tip: the ear is self-cleaning. In most cases, you don't need to do anything special. Just letting your earwax naturally migrate out is usually the best approach. Before we wrap up, let's clear up a few common myths. Myth number 1: earwax causes hearing loss. Truth is, only excessive buildup does. Normal amounts of earwax don't affect your hearing. Myth number 2: earwax is dirty. Earwax is actually a natural and beneficial substance. It's not a sign of poor hygiene. Myth number 3: you should clean your ears every day. Overcleaning can irritate your ear canal and even cause more wax production. It's best to let your body handle it. And there you have it, a quick dive into the science of earwax. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's definitely an important one. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more science and health insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Chemitro. Stay curious.